Mic check, mic check. Hello, hello. Yep. Can I start? स्पीड चाहिए स्पीड. क्वेश्चन सब मैं कर सकता हूँ मैथ्स के, पर टाइम चाहिए. अब वो टाइम की कमी है क्योंकि 15 मिनट आगे हो जाएगा तो और दिक्कत होगी. जीएस जो नहीं हो पाती और नहीं हो पाएगी. इंग्लिश में घिसाई चालू है. देखते हैं कितना होता है. रीजनिंग तो ऑलमोस्ट एक क्वेश्चन छूट जाएगा. रीजनिंग में हमेशा वो जो वर्ड बनाने वाला आता है. करते हैं उसको स्टार्ट आज. चलो आज का भी टारगेट है 5 गलत. कल मेरे 15 गलत हो गए थे, पर आज मुझे मैक्सिमम 5 गलत होने चाहिए. लेट्स गो. Hmm. The Hermica of Stupa is a symbolical abode of God located at the top. The Hermica is a where relic of the Buddha usually kept. दोनों सही नहीं हो सकते हाँ. Hermica. I have no idea. Which Veda primarily rituals and formula detailing process of performing Yajurveda. Of the following statement best describe the Ghana Vadya in the context of Indian traditional music. Ghan. Ghan, solid tunable instrument primarily. Making folk music. Yeah. Which of the following statements about schooling in swimming is correct? Schooling is only used only for the beginner to prevent sinking. Uh, Over schooling, the arm stay straight position in front. It is balanced by both hands underwater. पता नहीं क्या होता है स्क्यूलिंग. Who became India's first Asian Games gold medalist to win 100 meter freestyle swimming event in New Delhi in 1951? Sachin Nag, I think. How did Raja Raman contribute to the movement against the practice of sati in 19th century? Galway issued government ordinance against orthodox leaders. He campaigned using newspapers and engaged in debates. He formed alliances with British Christian missionaries. Armed protest नहीं होगा. He issued government ordinance. वो कैसे करेगा? He formed alliance with British Christians. मुश्किल है. Where was the 11th edition of India Bangladesh Joint Minister Sept? Siliguri, West Bengal. Which historical figure in Santosh Topi launched in 1941 named after? Mahantam. The Moore's last sing is acclaimed for its intricate narrative that blends historical events with magical realism to explore Indian identity and politics. The novel won the Booker Prize for its innovation, storytelling, and profound cultural insights. Yeah, conventional rainfall. Which of the following best explains how mineral deposit influence pro- population distribution? Which of the following best describe how mineral deposition influence population distribution? Relation between demographic transition and replacement level. Transition and replacement levels. Third stage fertility begins. Mission designed to revisit the same location every 12 days. Support low Earth orbit operation designed to achieve global coverage. Which biomolecule acts as the primary energy store animals? ये वाला ना मुझे थोड़ा सा मैं नॉट श्योर. Which biomolecule acts as the primary energy storage in animals? Animals. Animals. Starch, sucrose वगैरह तो नहीं. Mandate ICSC mediation before court. Water bodies set up tribunals for water disputes. The sound approaching to the whistle changes and the phenomenon is called from the Doppler effect. It might fall into petty organized crimes. Murder for hire. Which of these scheme is implemented to promote organic farming? परंपरागत. Soil health card scheme. एग्रीकल्चर टेक्नोलॉजिकल प्रधानमंत्री कृषि मतदान. परंपरागत मतलब पुराने टाइप की ना. द नेशनल single window system approach in clearance it as a separate ministry. Window investor clearances. क्या मीनिंग क्या है इस चीज का? Which of the following best describes global trends in tourism development conditions? Low income countries dominate top 30 scorers. Tourism Development Index. China account more of surpassing high economic countries in tourism infrastructure. Most of the top 30 TTDI scores are high income economies from Europe and Pacific. Ravli Green Wall project launched in 2010 to achieve which of the following? Corridors in which of the following statement best defines joint sector industries? Which is joint owned by public and private. What astronomical observation is mostly severely hampered by increasing the level of urban light pollution. Planetary transition, deep sky objects. Planetary transit, lunar phases. ग्रहों का परागमन. गहरे आकाश की वस्तुएं. चंद्र चरण. सूर्य के धब्बे. Mostly severely hampered by increasing level of urban light pollution. Deep sky objects. गहरे आकाश की वस्तुएं. एपोजी. एपोजी मतलब पास होता है, पास. नाडिर इज लोएस्ट पीक. पेरिजियर एपोजी मतलब दूर दूर होता है. स्टार्ट नादिर बेस. Throw cold water on. Men- mendacious. Antonym. Mendacious मतलब जो ठीक किया जा सकता हो. Dishonest, fraudulent, truthful, deceitful. Misspelled word. Antediluvian. Infinitesimal. Persiflage. Obfuscate. Obfuscate. यार ये मुझे नहीं होते, बताया नहीं क्यों. Spot the correct spelling of microchip printing method. Photolithography. Lithography. Choose the one word substitution for a speech or a piece of writing that praises someone highly. Soliloquy. Elegy. Encomium. The journalist refused to dash her sources despite repeated legal threats. Give out. Give away मतलब बताना. Give away देना, कुछ give away देना. Give out मतलब कुछ बताना ना. The memorandum clarified the employee must comply dash the revised code of ethics. Scientists' hypothesis was not only radical but also diametrically dashed to the foundation assumption of her discipline. Diametrically opposing. The investigation's findings alarming. The investigation's findings, alarming in both scope and content, prompted response not just from agency concerned, but prompted response not just for the agency concerns, but also for the auditors who reported they were never granted the critical record. That certain state governments have invoked archaic laws to suppress dissent does not only reflect legal opportunism but also undermines constitutional ethos that such provisions were meant to uphold. Certain governments that certain that की जगह the certain that certain state governments have evoked archaic laws to suppress dissent does not only the jury has delivered a unanimous verdict has been the the treatise critiqued the Rahme in syntactical agreement of proportions. Critique the Rahme in the क्या करना है इसका ये मुझसे नहीं होता पता नहीं क्या है Constitution is alleged to have been halted due to environmental violation. The construction is alleged to have been halted due to environmental violation. क्या अजीब से क्वेश्चन है ना ये The violation allegedly halted the has been है एक्टिव में करना है तो has been हो जाएगा हैज हो जाएगा, हैज भी नहीं है ना। इस अथॉरिटीज आर, अथॉरिटीज के बारे में तो कोई लिखा हुआ भी नहीं है। India digital run over the next decade has nothing short of a revolution. What began as a modest attempt to expand internet access by how revolutionized experience by the penetration movement in public services combined like public interpretation hurdles and facilitate real-time local state transaction across urban and rural regions alike. In the pandemic acted as an unexpected catalyst as lockdown forced physical distancing citizens turned to digital alternatives. Medical, online education and remote work became not just accessible but essential, and this sudden shift forces public and private sectors to rethink their infrastructure and embrace scalable technology. The digital journey hasn't been without obstacles. The permission digital remains particularly between urban and rural populations. While mentors enjoy high-speed broadband, many villages struggle for basic connectivity. Moreover, concerns about data privacy survey has been more pressing. Nonetheless, India has digital corner. I mean, the testament which had happened. Yet 50 million interactions are counting the national, the crucial intersection where robust digital policies, inclusive accesses, and responsible innovation will determine the trajectory of its digital future. What is the major government initiative catalyzed? What is the role? Accelerate India's digital adoption? What is the current challenge in India's digitalization, digital development? What does the passage suggest is the key to India's digital future? Stricter censorship. I am confident to pass the examination. You must adapt with the situation. You must adapt. क्वेश्चन ही गड़बड़ है. Sir said I had completed the report. She said. She said that she had been completed. She had completed. She had been completing. She said that she has completed the report. Had पहले had been आएगा पर completing क्यों आएगा? Scientists stated the water boiled at 100 degrees Celsius. Water boils. Diversity of life on Earth is a result of gradual process of changing over vast spans of time. It begins with inherent variation among individuals where some possesses characteristics that give them an advantage over others. This leads to gradual accumulation of favorable traits in population. Which, which letter is the word treatment is equidistant from both ends. P, P 16, 15, 14, 13, 20, 19, 18, 17, 24, 25, 26, A, 12th, minus 1, 9, 24 into 5, into 6, into 7, into 8, into 9, 8 आना चाहिए यहाँ पे 40320 into 9 वैसे जिसका भी 9 5 6 7 8 9 9 6 4 9 6 4 10 plus 2 नहीं हो रहा 8 to 16 18 69 ये हो रहा है 8 10 18 plus 6 नहीं हो रहा 1 9 31 8 2 22 2 42 8 68 20 प्लस 6 हो गया 32 2 हो गया 70 100 प्लस करना है 241 people can smoke in private spaces smoking harms in public health state in public places as per the new law the Himalayan Act has a natural barrier to prevent monsoon winds from reaching the northern plains thereby creating a dry region in the snow rain shadow area monsoon winds from reaching central areas no certain areas yes the rain shadow effects lead to dry condition in specific region monsoon rains are the sole cause of rainfall in the northern plains no vertical order a 12 15 a 12 15 16 16 20 how many letters are there in series between the letter that is fourth from the left and that one that is first from the right 16 17 18 19 how many a 8 1 18 13 15 14 9 15 21 19 h I 13 14 13 14 15 16 19 21 how many letters are the English alphabet between the series that is first from the left and the fourth from the right 13 14 202 22022 22022 गुड़गांव 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 P opposite 23 3 का opposite 14 17 plus 10 12 plus 15 growth stagnation success failure silent muted tranquil calm unclamorous clamorous excuse CXE ऐसे हो गया OREESED father's wife's only daughter is B. A's father's wife. A's father's wife. Only daughter is B. How B A को क्या बोलेगा? Brother बोलेगा. 18 27 61 121 216 1 2 3 1 2 3 4 11 और 6 तो 121 कैसे आ गया? P plus Q में A is the mother of B. B is the husband of C. A is the mother-in-law of C. A is the mother-in-law of C. Mother of C. सत्रह 16 17 18 19 22 23 2 this plus this का square 7 का square 9 का square read 18 19 plus 1 plus 1 C 16 R R A plus 1 S 18 होता है ना R 18 होता है S 19 होता है plus 1 हो रहा है C P P 15 16 sum of sum becomes 2.5 times in 10 years under simple interest. X and Y are brothers. That is the wife of Y. A is the father of X. B is the daughter of Z. A B को बोलेगा ग्रैंड डॉटर. क्या? where A goes to A square minus B. नेट नहीं चल रहा क्या मेरा? हाँ ये हो गया 1/2 32 plus 1 minus 27 माइनस में नहीं आएगा जो भी आएगा 1/10 plus 1/15 30 A number of red, blue, and green marbles. Red, blue, and green. 3, 4. 15 blue marbles. 15 blue marbles. And an unknown number of green marbles. एक कम हुआ तो 5 कम हुए, 2 कम हुआ तो 10 कम होएंगे, ऐसे इसका लॉजिक है। ये पहले भी आया क्वेश्चन शायद। ये इन्वेस्ट 25,000 इन एंड वी इन्वेस्ट 50 फॉर 6 मंथ। ठीक है, 5 1/2 बराबर बराबर हो जाएगा। A and B started a business with capital 5,3. After 6 months, A withdraws 10,000 and B doubles the investment. If initial investment of A was 50,000 and total profit after 1 year is itna ho, A withdraws 10,000. Thirty-six for the 24. 6 is the 18 plus 36. 454. 54 बराबर बराबर हो जाएंगे दोनों के विचारों के। 42,000. What is the average of all three numbers divisible by 23? 3 digit number divisible by 23। अगर सारे डिविजिबल हैं तो 23 से कटना ही कटना चाहिए वो नंबर भी। 46। 46 3 13 69। 69 72 नहीं कट रहा, ये कट रहा 46 92। 1 ये कट रहा है ना। एवरेज 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 पूछा है, एवरेज भी तो 23 से कटेगा ही। 2 calories of the same volumes are इतना इतना full of water। 2 canters of same volumes are 40% 50 full, if they are filled in a completely, they are then filled completely with milk. The content of both the containers are mixed in large vessel। Water and milk 4 and 5, 6 and 5, both the container but some milk in the fruit final mixture। पचपन परसेंटेज। Stationery shop ordered 6 dozen of red pens and some additional blue dozen of price of red pens per dozen is 3 times of blue one. When the order was delivered, it was found that the number of dozen of the two colors we interchange, and 6 plus 3x upon 18 plus x equals to 715. 30 plus 15x equals to 7x, 7 8 is 5, 120. 8x equals to 96. Number of dozens of red pens to do। आज तो जेज हो, आज तेज किया मैंने लग रहा है। फ्लावर vendor bought 200 flower for 800, 20 flower were withered and become unsellable at the what price it should sell the remaining flowers to earn a profit of 30%। 1040 में बेचना है उसको। कितने बेचने? 20, 180। 18 9 52 9 5 are 45, 7 70, 9 7 are 63, Furniture store sells a dining table for Z, making a profit of 25 percentage. During festival season, they increase the price and mark the table by 1.5 each. They offer a special discount of 20 percentage. It is the mark price. What will be the percentage profit made? ये Z था, ये 5 था, इसको मैं 5 से मल्टीप्लाई करूंगा तो ये 8 आ जाएगा, 8Z। ये 5Z, 1.6 से मल्टीप्लाई करूँ उसको 6.4 आ जाएगा। इसका क्वेश्चन थोड़ा अच्छे से इसके सॉल्यूशन सोचने पड़ेंगे। सॉल्यूशन सिस्टम एसिड एंड वाटर 5 3 4 liters of water is added 5 4 1 equals to 4. What is the original quantity of acid in the solution? क्या क्वेश्चन है, तो बहुत इजी क्वेश्चन है। A12 B18 C B है 36 3 2 and we agreed to do work for 72 with the help of C definition 5 days. How much C should be paid? तो गड़बड़ हो गई। मीन बी agreed to work 3 2 of the definition is how much she should be paid. 5 plus x equals to 7 5 is 35 1 5.2 x equals to 0.2 माइनस नहीं 0.2 है तो मतलब 1/5 15 10 and 1 तो 9 3 जा 9 8 जा 2 जा 6 23 6 जा 18 20 गड़बड़ की है क्या मैंने? A 12 B 18 A and B agreed to work do the work with for 72 and then 100 ठीक है 3 जा 2 जा 36 upon 5 plus x equals to 5 days 36 5 7 जा 35 7.2 अच्छा 7.2 to 2.2 2 2.2 5 7.2 7200 upon 7.2 into 2.2 I saw बहुत अजीब सा क्वेश्चन था ये टैंक हैज अ मिक्सचर ऑफ ए बी सी 785 40 liter mixture is drained out and subsequently 50 liter of solution A and 5 liters of C is added. If the resultant quantity of solution A is 25 liter less than the resultant solution of B. 1 minus 5x plus 10 to 25 15 x इक्वल्स टू 7.5 आ गया। कितना हो गया ये? 8 टू 13 20 हो गया, 2 मतलब 15 हो गया ये, 15। 20 7.5 इंटू 20 075 150 प्लस 40 190। The resultant quantity of solution A is 25 liter less than the resultant quantity of solution B। अच्छा B। The ratio of time taken by A and B to complete a task is 3:2। We can complete the task in alone in 18 hours। How many tasks? 36/3 12 घंटा। नाइन प्लस 3 प्लस 4 आवर्स में। फाइव 60 घंटे में एक बार। ये कॉमन फैक्टर इनका कुछ भी नहीं है, 5 भी नहीं है, तो 1 एक बार ही मिलेंगे बस। Circular path of 3 meter wide and on a circular path of 8, what is the area of the path? That wide 64 minus 121 7 171 1 8 56 2 6 1। Circular path of 3 meter wide, the circular of radius 8। एग्जैक्ट तो नहीं आ रहा है मेरे हिसाब से, बस ये दिक्कत है, एग्जैक्ट तो आ नहीं रहा है आंसर। 8 है उसके बाद में से, तो व्हाट इज द एरिया ऑफ द पाथ? पाथ का एरिया पूछा है मुझसे। मीटर स्क्वायर द सर्कुलर पाथ ऑफ विड्थ सर्कुलर पाथ ऑफ रेडियस 8। 8 is 56 8.1 162 162 2 8 7 178.2 ऑलमोस्ट, इसके ज़्यादा, इनके से तो ज़्यादा ही आएगा। Find the slope of the line perpendicular to the slope perpendicular to परपेंडिकुलर में माइनस लग जाएगा फिर 50. रेडियंस तो वही होता है ना, पाई, पाई बाय 2। Triangle of this. Pi by 6, 30. 4 3s are 4 25s are 50, 550, 2s are 42, 3 1 130. चल जा, चल क्यों नहीं रहा भाई, एक मिनट, ये चल क्यों नहीं रहा, पेन चल ही नहीं रहा। कुछ तो दिक्कत है। यार मेरा पेन का सॉफ्टवेयर अपडेट। दिख रहा है ये? अब चलेगा ना। तो a प्लस 2a माइनस 30 इक्वल्स टू 90, a equals to 120 upon 3 equals to 40. Similar triangle, the ratio of the corresponding side of altitude and in similar triangles, the ratio of the corresponding altitudes is 2 and 5. What is the ratio of their areas? 4 and 25. क्यों सोच रहा हूँ मैं इतना? ये क्या हो जाएगा, a स्क्वायर प्लस बी स्क्वायर, 2a स्क्वायर प्लस बी स्क्वायर, 2 into 5, 6. 5 root 2 plus 3 root 2 plus minus 2 root 2, 1 6 root 2. When a circle measuring 25, what is the maximum length of the chord in the circle? What? 1 plus cot 2 root 2. Base upon hypotenuse, base upon perpendicular, 1 upon root 2 मतलब root 2 plus 1 हो जाएगा। कौन से नहीं हुए हैं? ये नहीं किया, if the sum of 42 and 42 is multiplied by 84 is multiplied by 4 है 6 1 8 4 is 32 33। ये क्या क्वेश्चन है, मेरे को दिखा क्यों नहीं था पहले। एनोक्यूम एनोकोमियम एनोकोमियम एलिगी। एलिजी होगा मेरे हिसाब से, क्योंकि ये लोक्वी क्वी मतलब बोलना, स्पीच विच से रिलेटेड है। Construction is alleged to have been halted due to environmental violations. It is alleged that the authorities halted the construction. Authorities are alleged. ये इन्वायरमेंटल वायलेशन किसी में भी क्यों नहीं है, ये मुझे समझ में नहीं आया। हैव है ना बस, इसमें यही है भी हो सकता है बस, और कोई नहीं हो सकता। रहमे द ट्रिस्टाइस रिक्वेम रहमे, भाई रहमे का मतलब ही नहीं पता मुझे, मिसस्पेल्ड। एंटी दिल्ली युवन वियन इनफिनिटेसिमल persiflage persiflage obfuscate persiflage पता नहीं। 1.732 2.8 के अराउंड होएगा ना। 1.7 मान लेंगे तो 1.1 आएगा। 5 है 4 2.2 के अराउंड आएगा। 1.4 होता है तो ये हमेशा यही ए बड़ा होगा हमेशा। फर्नीचर स्टोर sells a dining table at Z making a profit of 25%. CPSP if it is Z 0.8 Z का 1/4 प्रॉफिट हो रहा है ना इसको। 1/4 इसका कितना होगा 0.2 ठीक है। During a festival season increase the mark price of the table to 1.6 Z and offered a discount of 20%, 1/5 into 5 कर देते हैं। 4Z 5Z 8Z 6.4Z 60%। ये अच्छा क्वेश्चन था, अच्छा वो मैंने टाइम बचा है मेरा इसलिए हो गया ये। फाइंड द स्लोप ऑफ द परपेंडिकुलर m1 into m2 इक्वल्स टू -1 होता है। इसका स्लोप निकालने के लिए क्या करना पड़ेगा, y2 माइनस y1। पता नहीं क्या है। 2.5 रेडियंस टू डिग्री, रेडियंस का मतलब 180 होता है ना कि 360 होता है। 180 में बहुत आ रहा है, 450 आ रहा है। 360 प्लस हाफ 90 450। आज जल्दी हो गया ऐसा लग रहा है पेपर मेरा, है कि नहीं। अपन करते हैं फिर, इतना इससे ज़्यादा तो आता नहीं है, बहुत ही कर लिए 89 क्वेश्चन कर लिए भाई, गलत नहीं होने चाहिए। ग्रह का परिगमान गहरे आकाश की वस्तु है। इसमें भी मैंने बहुत कर लिए, इतने सारे कैसे कर लिए मैंने। तो फॉलोइंग स्टेटमेंट में बनाई कहानावध्या द कॉन्टेक्स्ट ऑफ इंडियन ट्रेडिशनल। Which of the following statement about suckling in swimming is correct? Suckling is correct. During suckling, the hands remain above the water surface level as passive the arms stay straight and position in front. मुझे फील आ रहा है सकलिंग का मतलब क्या होगा। सकलिंग हिंदी में भी इसको सकलिंग ही बोल रहा है। सकलिंग। सरमान मनमथारनाथ रॉय था। सिंगल वुमेन सिस्टम, सिंगल विंडो सिस्टम। यस, बहुत ज़्यादा नंबर आए हैं आज। और एक्यूरेसी मेरी फिर भी अभी भी मतलब 90 से मतलब मेरे 10 से 9 से ज़्यादा गलत हुए हैं। 10 गलत हुए होंगे, 11 गलत हुए हैं। ये एक स्कोर ठीक है, बड़ा है। और बाकी सब चीज़ें थोड़ी देखते हैं क्या है। ठीक है, जीएस में स्कोर बड़ा है, इंग्लिश में भी स्कोर बड़ा है। क्वांटिटेटिव एप्टीट्यूड में थोड़ा कम हुए, मेरा 90 से कम नहीं था, 2 गलत हो गए लग रहा है इसमें। टाइम भी मैनेजमेंट ठीक ही है, देखते हैं। वो लेके आता हूँ मैं। ग्राफ। तो आ जाए नंबर 3, आ जाए मेरे 153, 152.5। बड़ा है थोड़ा। हम्म तो ये था आज का स्कोर। आज का स्कोर काफ़ी बड़ा है, कल से हाईएस्ट है इस टाइम का जो अभी सीरीज चालू है। तो और करने की कोशिश है कि जितना ज़्यादा हो पाए उतना अच्छा है। तो थैंक यू फॉर वॉचिंग, मिलते हैं मंडे को। बाय बाय।